Okay, there is a school-based assessment system developed by the interpreter trainees. When you launch the school-based assessment system, you can use any Microsoft Excel version. The version we are using now is 2010. When you launch it, it will tell you of the expiry dates. If you are using this a demo version, so click OK. You can see a welcome message on the dashboard of the system, and you can see also the version 1.1 and the software requirement with Microsoft Excel as usual, and then an Adobe PDF. When you log into the system with your username and password, it will send you to the main dashboard, which is where you see your school name and then the buttons to add students, learners, buttons to do the settings, and you see your login details over there too, and then the date and time of your login. We have a logout system too also up there. Click on the add student. You can see your student database over here, where you can add students, you can clear students, you can see there's the data entry form for adding students. This is where you can put in your student details. Let's talk about the setting side a little bit. Let's see. When you come to the settings side, this is where you have your school details, where you put in your school name, the motto, then the dates, the term dates, and other details about the school. The login detail too will be there for you. Then the pass mark for students, student pass mark will also be there for you. The number of subjects that your school offer will also be there. For French, Ghanaian language, and then the subjects, it depends. If the school doesn't offer those subjects, just say no, and that subjects will be deleted from the system, or it will be hidden from the system. If it is done, then it can come. You can see the number of subjects changes when you select yes or no, depending on the number of subjects that you offer to your students. The head teacher's remarks, and then the class teacher's remarks, you set them over there. You can see, you can view the reports, then you can also go back. Okay, let's go back and let's see. Let's see if we can add a couple of students for test purpose. See the attendance, the main attendance you see is 21 over there. The number of days that students attended school round. Yeah, when you change it in a certain side, it will change over here too. So let's see. Let's bring up the the form to add students. The student name, We enter the student name, we take the gender, then the date of birth of the student, we enter here the parent or the guardian name, we enter that one too over here. Then the location of the students, where the student is coming from, or and then the hometown of the student. These are just basic details of the student who need in the system. Then this side is the picture side. You see, let me show you. I have a couple of pictures over here, the same picture, but we have named it 1 and 2. When you click add picture, then you select your picture, the picture of the student. Then after that, you click on add, and it will tell you that the student has been added to the system. Okay, let's add another student to this system. Let's test it. Okay, let's yeah, basic 7, then date of birth. Let's put date of birth over also there. The parent or the guardian name, we'll choose. Okay, let's type anything over there. Then the location, let's come to the location. Yes, then okay, let's put Takrade. The hometown, let's put Apua over there. Then the contact number, we'll put any number over there. Then pick the second picture from here. Okay, 2, we add. So 2 students have been added successfully into the system. So these are the 2 students in the system. Let's go here and see. You can see the students we added over here. So this is where we we are going to put in their exam scores, the 50% score, then the 100% score. We'll put where we are supposed to put the 50, the class score, which is up to 50, then the exam score, which is up to 100. So for there's a demo version, so let's copy and paste. You will do that for each of the subjects we have done for English, Maths, Integrated Science, and other subjects. So after putting all the marks in, you will see the total score and then the average score over here. Then we can pick the interest, the conducts, and then the attitude of the students. We have already inserted some of the at the setting side. We have programmed all these things there. So pick them here, and based on the overall score, the headmaster's remark and the class teacher's remark will be generated automatically by the system. So let's go back and see. Let's see. Okay. We have to insert 1 and 2 for the. For now, we have just 2 students in the database. So the serial numbers, we'll put 1 and 2 over there. We can export this to a report, and we can go to the report and view the reports of these 2 students that we have entered. You can see the first student, all the marks are over there. We can see the position, we can see the total score, we can see the position of the students in the class. You can see all the details that you need from the exams, all the details that you need on the students for this exam. So you can see all the details over here. You can see the attendance, the number of days as against the total attendance. Okay, let's go back here again. But the second student, we haven't entered the exam mark. So let's the exam score. Let's enter the score over here for the second student. Uh, let's copy and paste. Okay, another copy and paste. Okay, paste. Okay, paste is for computing and Ghanaian language, French. Initially, the first student was having the highest mark, and we saw that he on the report she was the in the position she was first. But you see, when we entered a score which is higher than that of that's the first student, see the position has changed. Okay, well, we also pick the attitude of this second student. The headmaster's remark and the class teacher's remark will be automatically generated based on the total score of the student. Okay, let's see. Let's reduce the exam score, the class score, and then the exam score of the first student. Let's see something. Okay, let's reduce here too. Let's reduce this one too, and then okay, so you can see the total score has changed. The overall score has changed for the first student, and then the class teacher's remark and the headmaster's remark has also changed based on the overall score of the student. Okay, so let's now go back and let's view the okay, let's put in the attendance, the number of days they attend the school. Let's put the numbers over here before we check the reports. Okay, so now we can view the reports again, and now you can see the position has changed to second for the first student. And then let's see the so the second student is now in the first position. So we can see all the exam score of the second student, and then all that we need on the report, we can see it over here. Okay, so we can also come here and go back to view the reports if you want to see the reports that the report for each student. This is a report for each individual student. Okay, so let's generate reports. When we generate reports for basic 7, so we have to select the location where we want to put the reports. Okay, you can see there's this folder is empty. This folder, you can see, is empty. We are going to put the reports or generate other reports into this folder. So pick the folder from here and we click OK. So you can see the folder location written over there. Then we can click on PDF to generate a PDF report of all the students. So based on the number of students in the database, it will generate all the report at once. It's just a click, you will generate the reports of all the students with their pictures, their exam score, their attendance, everything, their position. The system will automatically arrange them for you. Report generated completely. Okay, so let's go back into the folder so you can see the two reports are over here. Let's open the first one and see how the reports looks like. Yes, this is how the reports looks like. That is it. So you can see it has generated nice reports that you can print out for your students, or you can send them via email to their parents or their walls or their guardians. You can send these reports to them. You can print them and send it to them. Okay, so that is it. This is a very nice system. That let's see the second. Let's open the second student report and see. Okay, so it will be open with the PDF, Adobe PDF, or if you have Chrome, Google Chrome will also be able to open it. So you can see it. Nice report with the school logo, then the student's picture, then all the details that you need on it. You can go back home, and then this is the same thing for basic 8 and then the basic 9. You can go to the basic 8, you can see there's no one here. You go to the exam score, see no student in, but there's an old data entry, so we can clear it from the system. Clear the attendance too from the system. So it's empty now. So when we go to the database, we can use the database form, data entry form, to enter data for basic 8. Same applies to basic 9. Let's see, it's empty. So the exam score too, no students in. So let's clear what is already data in there. Then the attendance to clear it. So that is it. So after that, you can go to the logouts and you log out from the system. Thank you for watching.